Welcome to my channel. How much does a remanufactured Audi engine cost in 2025? Step 1. Start with the basics. You're looking at anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000 for a remanufactured Audi engine in 2025, depending on the model. Step 2. Consider the model. An Audi A4 engine is usually on the lower side, while something like an Audi Q7 or RS model can be much more expensive. Step 3. Look at engine type. Turbocharged and high-performance Audi engines cost more to remanufacture than standard ones. The more advanced the engine, the higher the price. Step 4. Factor in labor. Don't forget installation. Depending on where you live, labor can add another $1,000 to $2,500 to your total bill. Step 5. Think about warranty. Most remanufactured Audi engines come with a warranty, usually 1 to 3 years. A longer warranty can make the price a bit higher, but it's worth it for peace of mind. Step 6. Check OEM versus aftermarket. If the engine is rebuilt with original Audi parts, it'll cost more than one using high-quality aftermarket parts. OEM tends to be pricier but closer to factory quality. Step 7. Factor in shipping costs. Engines aren't light. Shipping or freight can add a few $100s, especially if the seller is out of state or overseas. Step 8. Look at core charges. Many sellers charge a refundable core charge if you don't return your old engine. So if you send your old engine back, you can save money. Step 9. Compare sellers, dealerships, online engine suppliers, and local rebuild shops can all have different pricing. Shopping around can save you thousands of dollars. Step 10. Weigh cost versus value. At the end of the day, a remanufactured Audi engine costs less than new, more than used, but gives you the best balance of price, performance, and warranty in 2025. Thanks for watching.